How to get GeForce Now on MacBook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get GeForce Now on your MacBook. So first, open Safari or any browser on your MacBook. Go to the official website of GeForce Now. If you don't have an NVIDIA account, click on Sign Up to create one. If you already have one, simply click Login. Once logged in, go to the GeForce Now section and click on Download. Choose the Mac version of the app and the download will start. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install GeForce Now on your MacBook. After installation, open GeForce Now and log in. You can now start playing your favorite games with cloud gaming on your MacBook. And that's it. Now you know how to get GeForce Now on your MacBook and start gaming. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.